Feelings Factory, exploring emotions and mental health. Welcome to the Feelings Factory. Are you ready to learn all about emotions and how to take care of your mental health? Let's dive in and discover how our feelings work in a fun and simple way. Emotion exploration. Emotions are like colors in our heart. We feel happy, sad, excited, scared, and many more. It's okay to feel different emotions. They're all part of being human. Talk about it. It's important to talk about how you feel with someone you trust, like a parent, teacher, or friend. Sharing your feelings can help you feel better and let others know how they can support you. Relax and recharge. Just like a phone needs to recharge, our minds need rest too. Take breaks, do things you enjoy, and practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or listening to calming music. Be kind. Be kind to yourself and others. Everyone feels emotions, and it's okay to have good days and bad days. Treat yourself with love and understanding, and remember to be kind to others too. By understanding our emotions and taking care of our mental health, we can create a happier and healthier world for ourselves and those around us. So let's keep exploring our feelings and building a feelings factory full of positivity and joy.
Our minds are like little factories making all kinds of feelings: happy, sad, angry, or excited. Every emotion helps us understand ourselves and others better. Learning to name, share, and manage our feelings makes our hearts and minds strong. Our brain helps us recognize and control emotions.
The answer is true.
Our brain works like a feeling factory, creating emotions that help us understand ourselves and connect with others. Fun fact: smiling can actually make your brain feel happier. It's true science.